Now we can see about the topic RH factor. The RH factor we are termed as RH antigen. This factor was discovered by Carl Landsteiner and Alexander Weiner in 1940. His concept was the RHD antigen is presence on the RBC surface. Those which are having RH, they are called as RH positive individual. Those don't have this antigen, we are called as the RH negative individuals. First, both of them seen in this type of the antigen in macaco monkey. Later, will seen in human beings. So you see, normally the anti-D antibodies absent in the plasma in any normal individuals. That is, RH positive mother, when carrying the RH negative for the fetus, there will be no effect their children. But in the RH negative mother carrying the RH positive fetus at the time causes many of the diseases anemia, jaundice, and the incompatibility of the RH factor, that is erythroblastosis fetalis disease. So this type of the disease we are studying during the childbirth, very essential, very important during the childbirth in the incompatibility of the RH factor. You see, the RH negative mother sensitized by carrying RH positive fetus within her body. So you see this diagram showing the RH negative mother's body carrying the RH positive fetus, inherited factor of the RH positive fetus. Suddenly it leads to cause diseases, jaundice, anemia, erythroblastosis fetalis. So for this condition, RH negative mother's body gets sensitized to start secrete the RHD antibodies. When the time this antibody secrete during the first childbirth, normally deliver the first child, there will no effect seen, but in during the childbirth, the fetus of the RH antibodies, that is small immunoglobulin cross placenta to the mother's body to secrete the RHD antibody secretion. Finally, you have to see in the carrying of the second subsequent carrying subsequent means further second and third child carrying capacity, carrying time, enter into this RHD antibodies enter into the fetus blood circulation. So this RHD antibodies recognize the RH antigen of the fetus of their body. So enter of this antibodies into the fetus circulation, fetal circulation, usually hemolysis disease, breakdown of the blood circulation of the fetus. So don't have the carrying capacity of the second and third child of the negative mother's body. So this disease we are termed as erythroblastosis fetalis, hemolysis disease of newborn error. How to prevent this disease? Rocum is one of the medicines suggested that during the first childbirth. So you see the 28th and 34th week of the gestation period. Gestation period means totally 10-month period, 40 weeks duration, 280 days or 10 month. So we give the prophylactic measures, two type usually, passive immunity system responses, and second one prevent anti-D antibodies secretion in their body. So passive means slowly increase the immune system responses, and second one totally prevent the anti-D antibodies secreting in their body. Prophylactic means medicines suggested stage by stage. So this is the method used to prevent coming from this disease of the RH negative mother. Next topic, genetic control of RH factor. The Fisher and Race hypothesis and Weiner hypothesis suggestions given in our chapter. RH factor are involved in three different pairs of alleles located on three different closely linked loci on the chromosome pair. Okay, so you see three pairs of these RH alleles occur at three different loci on homologous pair 1, that is capital letter C, small letter c, capital letter D, small letter d, capital letter E, and small letter E. So his suggestion that all the genotype has only in the dominant allele will be expressed in the further generations with the presence of RH positive inherited factor. If it is recessive allele will be expressed in the phenotypic traits has RH negative inherited factor. Next one, Weiner hypothesis also suggested similar like that of the result. 8 alleles located on a single RH locus on the particular chromosomes. The capital letter R1, R2 and R0 are Z and small letter RR, R1, R2, 11 are Y. So this is for existence of the 8 alleles at a single RH locus. All the genotypes carrying the dominant type of the allele. This we have to return like the capital letter R, it's a dominant allele, small letter R, it's a recessive allele. So only as it is similar like that of the suggestion of the Fisher-Race hypothesis, Weiner hypothesis is also similar, giving the result of RH positive and RH negative phenotypic traits arising only in the depend upon the dominant allele and the recessive allele. So all the genotypes carrying dominant allele will be presence of RH positive. If it is recessive allele, RH negative.